Hey guys, hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sadika and in this video I'm going to teach you how to do profit calculator project. So let us get started. Now I'm going to do this project on the Thunkable platform. So I'm going to tell you how to get login in the Thunkable platform. So first what you have to do, you have to open your Google Chrome and in the Google Chrome you have to type White Hat Junior. After typing White Hat Junior, you will see the first link, that is White Hat Junior official website coding learning platform. So click to the White Hat Junior official website. After clicking to the White Hat Junior official website, you will be able to see your dashboard. Now scroll down and at the last you will see your profit calculator project. Click on the profit calculator project. After clicking to the profit calculator project, please click on the start project button. Now here, if you have not logged in right now, please log in. Now we are going to do the designation of our app. So first, you have to delete all the two screens which are there over here. First, we have to click to the remix button. After that, we have to delete both the screens. Delete this also screens. So in this way, how you can delete your screens. Now click to the plus sign so that we are going to start with a new screen. Now after clicking to the plus sign, you will be able to see your screen. Now we are going to do the designation of our app. So first we need a label. After that we need a text input. We need more two labels. After that we need a text input box. After that we need a button to calculate the profit percentage, and that's enough. Now before that we need to give a background color for our screen. So the background color will be pink. So this is your background color. The first you have to place your label 1. So here will be the label. In this label 1, we are going to put a text as selling price. In the label 1, we are going to write selling price. Now we will rename it as a selling price. Here the user will type the selling price. Now we will increase the font size of the selling price. We will keep it as a 30. Now there will be a text input box. Here we are going to type the hint as amount of selling price. So here the user is going to type the selling price. This is the label. Okay, and in this text input box, the user is going to type amount of selling price. And the text will be blank. Now we are going to start with the second label. And the second label will be cost price. Cost price. And the text will be cost price. After that, we will increase the font size same as 30. Now we are gonna take a text input for the cost price, and in that we are going to give a hint as amount of cost price. And the text input text will be blank because the user will type the amount of cost price. Now we will rename the text input of cost price. So we will keep it as same amount of cost price. So here you can see amount of cost price. Now we are going to rename the text input box of selling price. So it will be renamed as amount of selling price. Amount of selling price. Now we will come to the second label, the third label, and here we are gonna to get the profit percentage. We are gonna to get the percentage. So this we will keep as blank, but we will increase the font size to 45 so that the answer will be too much bigger. We can see it clearly. If suppose the answer kept 234%, so we can see the number clear. So we will keep it as blank, and the font size will be 45. Now we will change the text color of selling price. So we will keep it as green, and we will keep the background color as blue. The text of the button will be calculate. The text of the button will be calculate button. And we will rename is the same. We will rename it as calculate button. Now we will change the font size. The font size will be 25. Now we will change the text color. The text color should be green. Now we will change the background color. The background color will be yellow. It cannot be seen. So I will keep it as orange. It cannot be seen. Okay, so I will change the text color. And then I will change the background color to yellow. So yes, so that it can be seen clearly. Now we will change the text and background color of cost price. So the text color could be green. Then it could be blue again. Now we will change, we have changed the text and the background color. Now, we will change the background color and the text color of the profit percentage, where we will get the correct answer of the profit percentage. So where it will be, so this is the label 2. We have not renamed it, right? So we will name it as profit percentage. Now here we are going to write something so that we can able to see it. So whatever we have written, we will change the color of that. We will not keep it as a black, but we will change it. So we will keep blue instead, or we will keep pink instead. Pink it will not look clearly. So we will keep yellow. Or we will keep orange, right? Orange cannot be seen. We will keep yellow, right? Yellow only can be seen, right? Yellow also cannot be seen. Okay, let's keep green. Green also cannot be seen. Let's keep blue only. Or else we will keep black only. Now we have changed the text color. Now let's change the background color. So this is our background color. Now our designation of this app is clear. So let's Keep this all label, button, text input box and the profit percentage in a order. So first will be the selling price, and then there will be the text input of the selling price, that is amount of selling price. Then there will be the cost price. Then there will be the amount of cost price. Then there will be the calculate button, and there will be the answer. So this is the answer, so I need to keep it blank. Sorry, I had just wrote 120 for your reference, so you have to keep it as a blank. Now we have done the designation of our app. So we will add another screen and we will end this designation of the app. So thank you. We will take a label. We will do extraordinary thing in this. So we will take a label and we will write, thank you for visiting my app. So this is the label, and I will increase it in a 29 or 20. But I need to increase in a 25, right? Or 35. Okay. Thank you for visiting my app. Now let's change the color. Yellow. Let's change it as a pink, right? Yes. And then, pink, let's keep pink, and then we will keep the green one. Okay. But it will not be seen, right? So let's keep orange one. Orange one is also not able to see. So let's keep yellow one. I hope yellow one could be seen. Yes, yellow one can be seen. So thank you, green color. I didn't give you a chance to be the background color of the text. Sorry. Okay. So this is a funny joke. So this the label which I have put in the that is thank you for visiting my app. This is an extraordinary label. Okay. This is my creativity. So you can put another wishes like please wait for my new apps. Okay, thank you for visiting my app. Like this you can put, but this is an extraordinary. This is not that. This is not mean to put. You can put yourself. Whatever you want, you can put. Now let's come to the blocks. Let's come to the coding part. Yeah. So first we have to go to the variables and we will take the initialize app variable and we have to duplicate it 4 times. If you want to copy something, copy the code, then you can also put Control plus V plus C. Wait, Control plus V plus C. Yeah, Control plus V, right? You can copy it. But now we want the code only 4 times. The most easier way, you can go in variables and you can take the blocks. You can go in the any option and you can take the blocks. Why it cannot be deleted? Okay. So please I will increase my volume. Okay. So now let's initialize this app. So initialize app variable to, let's go in maths and let's take this block. So let's duplicate. To copy and paste, this is the very similar way, very simple way. You have to click left and you have to click to the first label, that is duplicate. So yes, initialize app variable name to 0. Now name will be initialize app variable selling price. You have to write selling price. Then you have to name cost price. After that you have to put profit. After that you have to put profit percentage. Profit percentage. Okay. Now these are the initialize app variable selling price, initialize app variable cost price, initialize app variable profit, and initialize app variable profit percentage. Now let's do the continuation of this. So now we will come to the calculate button. Let's come across to the calculate button. So let's search the calculate button from this. Where is the calculate button? Can you see? Oh no, where is the calculate button? This is the calculate button, right? Yes, then why cannot I see there? Yes, so we have we get our calculate button, and if this only problem is happening with you, you can go to the design button and click to that button which you don't see, and you will get your all the blocks on this screen. So let's click to the calculate button, and when calculate button is clicked, right? Oh no, whatever blocks we did, where it went? I think so it got deleted. So let's do it again because it got refreshed, right? So let's go initialize app variable. Let's duplicate this again. Let's go in maths. Let's duplicate this. So this is this. Okay. So this will be 0 only. Don't change the number. Okay. So initialize app variable to selling price. Then initialize app variable to cost price. Initialize app variable to profit. Initialize app variable to profit percentage. Okay. Now let's place this in a correct order. So yes, now let's take this calculate button. Now what will happen when calculate button is clicked? What will happen? I will tell you what will happen. Now go in variables and you have to take set app variable selling price, and you have to duplicate this. And you have to select the set app variable to cost price. This first one is correct. So set app variable selling price and set app variable cost price. So when calculate button is clicked, you have to take set app variable selling price to go in maths. No, wait. Okay. So you have to go to amount of selling price, and then wait, where is that? Can you see amount of selling price text? Yes. So you have to select this one. Then duplicate this one and put it over here. So set up variable selling price to amount of selling price text. Set up variable cost price to amount of selling price text. So this is cost price. Okay, cost price. Yeah. So amount of cost price text. Now what we will do? We will go in variables again. And then we will take this again. Set app profit. Set up variable profit, and then we will go in maths and we will select this minus operation. Then we'll go in variables again and we will take app variable selling price, duplicate this, app variable cost price, meaning app variable selling price minus cost price. So this is app variable cost price. Okay. So let's place this in order. Now, after is set app variable selling price to amount of selling price, set app variable cost price to amount of cost price text, then set app variable profit, app variable selling price minus app variable cost price. After that, what you have to do is go in variables again, and then you have to select set app variable profit. No, wait. So yes, go in variables again, and then you have to select set app profit percentage, app variable profit percentage to go in maths, and then first you have to select the divisions. First you have to select the operation multiplication sign, and then duplicate this, and you have to select the division sign and put it over here at the first block. After taking the set app variable profit percentage to then you have to do the go in variables again, and you have to take app variable profit divided by what? App variable profit divided by cost price. Duplicate this, and app variable profit to cost price. Where is cost price? Please help me to search. Yes, so app variable cost price. And here you have, where there is 1, you have to put it into 100. Now after this coding part, what you have to do is you have to go to the maths again. But before that, we have to go in profit percentage, and from that set profit percentage text. Wait. So you have to do set app profit percentage text to, you have to go in maths, and you have to select this round 3.1. Then you have to go in the text, you have to select this join hello world. Wait. And then we have to so you have to remove this, and then you have to go to the variables again, and you have to select app variable profit percentage. You have to go, you have to take this join 1, and then you have to select this hello, and I can't understand, I am very confused. Wait. Yes, so what you have to do is select the set profit percentage text to, you have to select this join, and after selecting this join, where there is join, so first what you have to do, where there is join, instead, wait, I will show you only. I will remove this block, and here first in the join, instead of, after the join, what was there? Look, you have to go in text, you have to select this join, and instead of hello, instead of hello, you have to put this round, and from variables, instead of this round, instead of this 3.1, instead of this 3.1, you have to put app variable profit percentage from variables. And here, this, where there is world, you have to click to the shift and then click to the 5, and then you will get this percentage sign. So this is how you have to do the coding part. So I will explain you if you want me to explain again. So first you have to do, so first you have to do initialize app variable selling price to 0, initialize app variable cost price to 0, initialize app variable profit to 0, and initialize app variable profit percentage to 0. Then when calculate button is clicked, set app variable selling price to amount of selling price text, set app variable cost price amount of cost price text, then set app variable profit to app variable selling price minus app variable cost price, set app variable profit percentage to app variable profit divided by app variable cost price into 100. Now, set profit percentage text to join round app variable profit percentage at this percentage sign at the last. So this is my app, and now I will show you how does the app works. Now look, selling price, amount of selling price, I am putting the amount, selling price 123 and the cost price is 456. Now the calculate button gives us minus 73%. So why it gives minus 73%? Because in the selling price we have put in the low cost than the low number than the cost price. So if I increased it at 345 or 945, then it will not give us minus. It will give only 177%. Means it will give any number and there will be a percent sign. So this is how I created an app. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my video. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Wait for my new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.